guys, welcome back to the Roblox
I was
show.
always drinking a go-go sweet.
Alright, and today we're back on Roblox and finishing the castle dungeon. So let's get started.
Castle Fortress.
So, oh yeah, Castle Fortress, sorry. I said Castle Dungeon, but it makes sense. Alright,
I used to call it Castle.
Ooh, this is fun. You know, how high is this? You know, the whole thing was really, really hard, so. And when I'm looking at my camera right here, I'm really glitchy for some reason.
Yeah,
right,
because that dumb mountain in your dumb back.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot of nights. Hey, we're outside. I like the breeze. I've been inside for the rest of my life. Basically the best of it. Sorry, rest of my life. I messed up today. But yeah, my camera's glitchy for a reason. For me, I'm seeing
Guys,
it
if
as
you're
a
in
glitchy,
Pine Trail,
but not,
and if you
I
watch
don't know.
PBS Kids, have you ever watched Oswald? I'm Agent Olive.
I always just. Wait. Whoa! Got to talk to him. Don't. Watch out for the dragon fire. Take cover in the archways. Oh, this is so cool. Oh yeah, archways are these things. If I die, I'm just gonna get ready for them saying the no, because I don't want to buy anything. Don't need help. I want to do this all alone. Maybe if I just could I jump? Oh, that helps. Whoa! Look at those mountains. They had to use that with special effects instead of this, but this is definitely special effects with this dragon. There's no dragons ever. This could be like a ball. Yo, it's moving. It's so... Wait, are we going between his legs? Alright, just go. Let's hit on me. Whoa! Oh my gosh, their swords are so big. Just go. Just go around him. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Can they get me? Can they get me? Oh my god! Oh, get away. Haha. Goodbye. Alright, let's go. Oh, that's a cool sound. Let's go. And guys, somehow at the beginning of the thing, I have a secret key, but I haven't found where it leads yet. Get out of here. Oh, he's gonna come back alive. The knights usually just come back alive. What is that?
Mom decided that Mom would be Miss O.
Oh, okay. Whoa! What just... Go! The knight's gonna get me! I don't know what just happened there, but that was weird. Checkpoint. I want to skip. Wish I could skip. That's too far. Oh, but I don't like that music. I like it, I said. Don't like it, but it's kind of something like that. Alright, just go. Oh, they're coming. Can't get me. Let's see where the secret key is. Maybe it's at the end or something. Alright, let's go. Get checkpoint. What's out over there? It's like one of those battle areas. Oh! Ah! Dead. Wait, why am I frozen? Oh, it's frozen to me. Secret key. I feel like I missed it. Why am I dying? At the first part, why am I doing that? I don't know what's happening. Oh my gosh! What is wrong with me? Why did I jump like that? I am so messed up, guys, today. Why am I so weird? These things are so skinny. Yeah, like right here. Is this the end? I gotta check this. Yeah! Revive knights! Defeat all the enemies by jumping on their heads. I'll kill you. Then I'll kill you. Then I'll kill you. Aha! Did I defeat him? Oh, no, it's 20. Oh, no, not this guy. Oh, no, not that guy. I hate those guys. Yeah. Oh, gosh. Alright, come get me. Come get me. Haha, I got 9. I haven't even died once yet. Okay, wait, do you die? Did you have to... Oh, wait, do you have to restart? Wait. Oh, you don't. You already killed them. Wait. Whoa. Whoa. Kill him. There's so many skeletons. That was bad. Alright, let's go. Jump. Oh, someone else is with me. Oh, did I do it? Yeah, let's go. Babysitter. Haha. Alright, I'm gonna be... Oh, she's already made it to the end. We made it. Wait. Is this the end? Yeah, let's go, everybody. We've made it. Oh, yeah, we got disco floor over here. They're very creative now instead of the other thing. Let's see where the secret key is. No, this has got to be it. What's in here? Badge awarded, Super Smash Bros. Secret badge. Oh, yeah, let's go, baby. That's where the secret key was stored. Let's go. Wait, I'm just going to jump off. Oh, we got a scooter? I'm going to use it. Yeah, I'm going to use it. I'm totally going to use You hear me? I'm just gonna jump. Okay, ready, guys? This will be fun. Oh, I lost it. All right, well, let's see where this game leads to. We do have some time before this thing. We do have time because it's only been 5 minutes. So let's go ahead. Miss Antron's detention. Okay, we can play this. Mild jump scares. All right, I think we have enough time for this if we just speed run through the game. I have no idea. Oh, she creepy. Guys, maybe we should play this next. What do you think? Subscribe down below if you think we should play this next. Alright, well, guys, that was it. The next time I do a game, I will play Escape Miss Antron's Detention. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.